Hey there, curious minds. Have you ever dreamt of traveling back in time? Well, hold on to your seats because today we'll dive into one of the most puzzling mysteries of medieval art. Imagine this. You're strolling through a museum, admiring ancient paintings when suddenly something catches your eye. A man in a medieval painting appears to be holding, wait for it, a smartphone. What? Yes, you heard that right. A smartphone in medieval times. How is that even possible? This bizarre discovery has sparked countless debates. Some say it's just a coincidence, a trick of the light, or even a modern-day prank, but others believe it's proof of time travel. Crazy, huh? Let's take a closer look. The painting in question is The Madonna and Child with the Infant St. John by an unknown artist. The figure in the background seems to be holding a rectangular object, eerily similar to a modern-day smartphone. Could it really be? Skeptics argue that it's just a book or even a small mirror. But believers in the time travel theory can't help but wonder, what if someone from our time did travel back to the medieval era? And if so, why? While the idea of time travel is fascinating, there's no concrete evidence to support it. Yet this mysterious painting continues to ignite our imagination and curiosity. So, what do you think? Coincidence, clever prank, or a hint at the impossible? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending mysteries. Until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring, and keep those curious minds open. See ya!